Are you struggling with digestion issues? Did you know that a simple morning routine can help improve your digestion naturally? Introducing the ultimate Moringa Smoothie Recipe. Packed with essential nutrients, this smoothie will not only boost your digestion, but also enhance your overall well-being. Here's what you'll need. A handful of spinach for its fiber content, a cup of antioxidant-rich pineapple chunks, and a small piece of ginger to aid digestion. Moringa, the superstar ingredient, is a true powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it the perfect addition to our smoothie. Just add a scoop of moringa powder to your blender. This will provide an extra burst of nutrients, promoting a healthy gut. Blend everything together until smooth and vibrant. Take in the refreshing scent and vibrant colors. Pour your nourishing creation into a glass and savor every sip, knowing that you're giving your body the love it deserves. Experience the magic of this moringa smoothie as it gently soothes your stomach and improves digestion. You'll notice an increase in energy and overall wellness throughout your day. Remember, it's all about embracing a wellness journey. Prioritize your digestion by incorporating this delicious moringa smoothie into your daily routine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Glam Fit Well for more healthful tips and recipes that will empower you on your wellness journey.